Welcome to this week's edition of Nordic Market News. It's Friday the 26th of January and we are in the news studio of Direkt news agency. It's official, the earnings season has kicked off. Highlights have been big cap Swedish names such as Nordea and Telia, where both have reported their full year earnings. Brent oil increased early in the week but now has fallen back to $70 due to a weaker dollar. Let's start with taking a look at the most important indices. All Nordic indices have taken a turn for the negative this week, with the OMXS30 and OMXH25 both at minus 1.3% for the week, and the OBX and the OMXC20 down 1% for the week. However, all four indices are still positive year to date. In corporate news, today Atlas Copco, one of the biggest manufacturers of compressors and mining equipment, reported profit below market forecast. The company said quarterly operating profits were 6.23 billion Swedish crowns higher than the year before, but lagging forecast at 6.51 billion. An extra payout of 8 krona on their dividends did not help the stock that fell 3.7%. On Thursday, Nordea was the first bank to present its results for the full year of 2017. The news did not meet expectations and the stock fell sharply by 4% intraday. Operating results were 36% lower from the same period in 2016 and weaker than the €900 million analysts had anticipated. Also, their net income decreased by 8%. However, more positive was the increase in the dividend to €0.68 per share. However, it didn't offset the overall weak result. Nordic telecom operator Telia reported underlying earnings in line with expectations on Friday. For the fourth quarter, a profit has been reported at 6.59 billion Swedish krona. That is up from 6.38 billion krona a year earlier. Telia also proposed raising its dividend from 2 krona per share to 2.3 in 2017, which is above expectations. The higher dividend helped the Telia share price to rise in early trading by 3%. Later, the stock dropped slightly with an overall increase of 2%. The Swedish steel producer SSAB said today that net profit for the fourth quarter rose below forecast, but the CEO Martin Lindqvist had a positive view of 2018 with good demand expected for most of its product. Prices are expected to be higher across all of the steel divisions compared with the fourth quarter of 2017. SSAB also proposed a dividend of 1 krona per share. The last time a dividend was proposed to shareholders was back in 2012. The stock was down 3% on Friday. The Danish insurer Top Denmark reported strong results on Thursday and has been a top stock this week in Denmark. The company intends to increase its dividend to 19 Danish kroner, helping the stock surge to 4.8% this week. However, the largest Danish insurance company, Tryg, did not reach expectations upon reporting. The stock is down 4.2% for the week. The fourth quarter gross premium income fell to 4.49 billion Danish kroner, undershooting the 4.58 that was expected from analysts. Also, Gjensidige reporting disappointed. The Norwegian insurer posted below forecast profits for the fourth quarter and proposed a lower than expected dividend for the full year. The share took a huge hit on the Oslo Børs, trading 6% lower. The Norwegian seismic company, Petroleum Geoservices, which helps oil companies to find oil, surged after SEB raised its price target for the stock from 29 to 35 Swedish krona. The stock has been a winner at the Oslo Børs so far in 2018 and has surged 46% since the start of the year. 4.6% has been added just this week, hovering just under the 25 Norwegian krona mark. Also, the biotech company Swedish Orphan Biovitrum, also known as Sobi, had a strong week. The stock rose early on after the French pharmaceutical company Sanofi acquired Bioverativ for $11.6 billion. Bioverativ is a partner to Sobi, and the Sobi stock is up 19% this week. Also in the news was Danish Maersk. The conglomerate company with activities in transport, logistics and energy sectors is supposed to divest its drilling business. The stock surged on the news and is up almost 5% this week, making it the best performing large cap stock in Denmark. That's all for today. Have a great weekend and see you all again next Friday.